Are you a business looking for business leads to market your product or services to them? In this video, I am going to show you how you can gather unlimited B2B leads. Yes, I said unlimited B2B leads. Before I continue, I have a course on Udemy that teaches how you can build your own SMTP server. Now, after gathering your B2B leads, you will love to send your services or product to them. Now, what are you going to use? You will need an SMTP server. So I have prepared a course, okay, on Udemy that will teach you how you can build your own SMTP server to send those bulk emails or your services or product to those B2B leads. All right, so this is Google Chrome browser. All right, now you are going to use some strategies over here. Now, we are going to use Google Docs to do these strategies, but this is more different than the other videos I've made, right? Now, with this, we are going to take advantage of business directories. We have like Yelp, we have Yellow Pages, we can also talk about LinkedIn as they are businessmen over there. But before that, let's do a quick search. List of business directories. All right, so list of business directories in USA. You can use any country that you want. If you are in Ghana, list of business directories in Ghana. If you are in Nigeria, in UK, UK. You understand? Now, since we are looking for business leads, it is better we look for them on the business list directory or listing directories. All right. So we just have to first enter. Then we see the business directories that we have. So we have Google Business Profile, we have Bing Maps, we have Foursquare, we have Yelp, we have City Search, we have Anger, we have Manta, and whatever. So we can try. So let's check this one. It says the top 50 general business directories, right? So let's check that one and see. Okay, so the first one is Apple Maps. The second one is Google Business Profile, and the third one is Facebook. So then we have Bing, we have Yelp, and there should be Yellow Pages. Okay, but anyway, no problem. So now we are going to use. You can see with this website, they have provided the link of the website, and that is amazing. I love this. Right. So let's go to Google Search. That's where we are going to gather, or we are going to call out the businesses with their data. So first of all, let's open our notepad and write some keywords that we are going to use for our search, right? So now we need to enter the business model. We are looking for businesses. So whatever you want, you choose. Okay, so for me, I'm going to use restaurant for the purpose of this video. So I'm just going to bring it down here. All right, then I'm going to put that into a quotation mark. Right, so after selecting your business model, then we have to then add email, because we are looking for emails. And for the purpose of this video, we are looking for business emails. Okay, so because we are looking for business emails, we are not going to limit ourselves to one particular email type like Gmail, Yahoo Mail, and whatever. You understand? We know that most of these business listings, they use something we call mail to, or sometimes email. You understand? So we are going to use mail to over here. You understand? And we are going to put column there. Then we will make sure we put it inside a quotation mark. So those who code website, or those who develop website, they use this mail to code just to let the browser understand that this text is an email. That also allow people to direct message them. You understand? So most of these code are connected with emails. So what we are saying is that we want the browser to go and grab those emails for us. You understand? Then you should add our country. We can also say phone number. So phone number in addition. All right, so we can add it into a quotation mark as well. Then finally, we have to add, not finally though, so we have to add the location, whether city, state, or country. So let's say Texas. So now Texas is in here. Then finally, you have to talk about the site. All right, so I'm going to use site over here, then site over here, colon. Then let's go back to the business here and let's copy the site. Okay, we are going to copy the site link. Where is it? Yes, and we're going to paste it there. You understand? So this is what we are going to use in our search. We are going to copy everything, then we are going to paste it into the Google search. So enter and let's see what it's going to do. So it says there's an error. So we have this error because this website is not listed on Google search query. That means that this website is not on Google. You understand? Yeah, so we have to keep on trying the directory that is listed on Google, right? So let's go back here, then copy. It could also be that this website is not public or publicly opened. You understand? So we keep on going and we are going to get a better result. Okay, so I have pasted a different website link. Okay, I'm going to press enter to see if you are going to get. We didn't get that from Google. Okay, so it is not publicly open. Okay, we can use Facebook because Facebook is open. We know that it's a social platform, right? So we just have to copy everything. Then let's go back. Then let's paste it at the site section. Then enter. That as you can see, we are getting search results. You understand? Now let's see if we can get something here. So we had mail to over here. You understand? Then you can keep on scrolling. We have another mail to over here. Then now it's because it is businesses. We are not going to extract only the emails. We want to extract everything. So what we are going to do is we are going to select all. We copy that, and we are going to open a notepad. Okay, a fresh notepad, and we are going to paste everything inside. And I'm going to show you how a very simple way we can gather them using AI. Interesting. So this is it. So just paste it over there. Come to the next one. Okay, so you can scroll down, then you go to the next page, then do the same thing. So you just Ctrl plus A to select all, the Ctrl plus C to copy, then you go and add it to your data. Now if you think you are okay with Facebook and you don't want to use Facebook anymore, or maybe you have gathered all everything here, then all you have to do is change the site. Okay, so go back to the business directory list. Okay, let's use Bing and see. I don't think Bing will give us result because Bing is not open. Yes, as I said, it's just a search engine. You understand? Then we have Yelp. Okay, so Yelp is a business directory. Okay, which is very public. So we are going to paste that one. Then press enter. Then as you can see, this is giving us email, and you can see, just check here, you can see that this is custom email. You can see this is a custom email with their custom domain. You understand? So this is not limited to Gmail, Yahoo, whatever. No, you can check the next one, which is Cindy at CGT, whatever tx.com. You understand? So that is it. You can just Ctrl plus A to select everything, Ctrl plus C to copy, then you add it to your data. So keep on doing this till you are tired. All right. Yes, you can do this like a million times. Go to the next page, then Ctrl plus A to select all, Ctrl plus C to copy, then back here and boom. Now if you know you cannot gather these things by yourself, you can pay me to do it for you. I have some tools that can do the magic for me, but they are not free. That's why I'm showing the free way. You understand? So that is it. Now after gathering everything, now we need to arrange them, and we are going to use AI. So AI is going to help us to collate this data into a table for us. Are you ready? So let's get into it. We are going to use ChatGPT for this. So I'm going to log in into my ChatGPT. I'll leave the link of ChatGPT at the description. Click on it and be redirected. You can create an account if you don't have an account, and you are free to go. Okay. All right. So this is ChatGPT. So now I'm going to open my data. It is a raw data. Okay, so I'm just going to Control plus A to select everything, then Control plus C to copy it. Now ChatGPT might limit, okay, the number of data you can send or text you can send to it. Okay, so you can be grouping them, you understand, and that will be very simple. Okay, so I'm just going to paste it over here, then I'm going to the top. Okay, then I'm going to use shift then enter to give a space above it, and I'm going to give instruction to ChatGPT. Okay, and the instruction will be for ChatGPT to collate the table, okay, or to group the data in table, you understand, and I will instruct it to omit data that has no email or phone numbers, you understand. So I'm going to write my instruction and I'll be back in a jiffy. All right, so this is my instruction. I want you to group the data from business name, description, email, and phone number. Note, don't add the data if it has no phone number or email. All right, so I'm going to just send, and let's see what ChatGPT is going to do. Whilst collating the data or grouping the data, I realized ChatGPT did not understand my question really well. All right, even though it makes sense, but that's not what I want. You understand? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell ChatGPT to put it in a table. You understand? That's what I didn't use. Okay, so I am going to paste my thing over here. So I want you to group the data. Yes, now since we have already sent the raw data to ChatGPT, we just have to give it extra instruction and that's it. You understand? So I want you to group the data in a table form, paying attention to business name, description, email, phone number, okay, and don't add the data if it has no phone number or so. Send again and let's see what ChatGPT is going to do. All right, so as you can see, we had four data, okay, from the list. Yeah, so the more data you collect, the more raw data you collect, the more emails you are going to get. All right, so that is the power of ChatGPT. Okay, even though I know there are a lot of data inside it that it couldn't bring out, you understand, because it couldn't really understand the query very well. You understand? But what I'm saying is that this is possible. Okay, you can tweak some of your instructions to ChatGPT and you can get the better result as compared to mine. If you want a tool that can do that automatically, I have a tool there and it's very cheap. You can DM me, you can check the description, you can see my contact details. You can contact me for that tool. That's amazing, right? So this is basically how you can extract unlimited B2B leads for your business. All right. Don't forget that I have a course on Udemy that teaches you how to send bulk emails. All right. But if you don't want to generate B2B leads, but you want normal emails, I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel that teaches you how you can extract unlimited emails, like 10,000, 100,000, even 1 million of emails. Yeah, it's very simple using Google search and sometimes using certain tools. You understand? So thank you for watching. Give me some like if you enjoyed this video and give me subscribe if you want more content like this. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.